Do you prefer to work in a clean environment? At Boels Rental, you can hire a wide range of cleaning machines that can help you accomplish just that. In particular, we have the Universal Sweeper and the Sweeper Ride-On. The Universal Sweeper is an attachment that can be fitted onto our wheeled loaders and on a range of forklift trucks. This Universal Sweeper is ideal to clean larger areas, for instance parking lots, event areas or during roadworks. Mounting the attachment is very easy. All hydraulic and water connectors are equipped with quick couplers, and the unit is equipped with a pressure relief valve to make sure that it can also be used on telehandlers, which have high hydraulic pressure peaks. The water tank will be used to suppress dust creation. The Ride-On Sweeper is an easy-to-use diesel-powered sweeper with a 130 centimeter width. This Ride-On Sweeper is also more suited for the professional market and for large areas. This machine runs up to 10 kilometers per hour, during which it can suck up materials from dust to rubbish. The 300-litre debris collection unit can easily be cleaned with the help of hydraulic systems. Its robust build with steel body and solid rubber tyres makes it ideal for outside use, even on rougher terrains. So, are you going to clean your workspace better in the future? Contact your nearest Boels branch or visit boels.com.